In the heart of Lebanon stands a place that defies everything we know about ancient engineering. A site so mysterious, so colossal, that even modern machinery would struggle to recreate it. Imagine stones so massive that each one weighs as much as 3 blue whales. Yet somehow, thousands of years ago, they were lifted, moved, and placed with such perfection that not even a sheet of paper could fit between them. Who built them? How were they moved? And perhaps the greatest question of all, why do these stones even exist? This is the mystery of Baalbek, one of the most baffling ancient sites on Earth. It all began when German archaeologists, led by the Deutsche Orientgesellschaft, started excavating the region of Baalbek in the early 20th century. What they uncovered beneath the Roman ruins shocked the scientific world. Deep in the quarry, just outside the city, they found a stone so huge it seemed almost unreal. The stone of the pregnant woman, an unfinished block of limestone weighing around 200 tons. Years later, when archaeologists dug even deeper beneath it, they discovered something even larger. The Forgotten Stone, estimated at 1,650 tons, making it the largest known stone block ever carved by human hands. Who were these builders? And how could anyone, thousands of years ago, have moved stones that weigh more than 4 Boeing 747 airplanes combined? Baalbek lies in Lebanon's Beqaa Valley, a region known for its Roman ruins, majestic temples, tall columns, and carved reliefs dedicated to gods like Jupiter and Bacchus. Historians long believed Baalbek was a Roman masterpiece, a symbol of their architectural brilliance. But the deeper researchers looked, the stranger it became. Beneath the Roman structures stood something far older, a massive foundation made of monolithic stone blocks that predated the Roman Empire by thousands of years. These stones, known today as the trilithon, each weigh around 900 tons and are fitted so perfectly that even with laser measurement, no visible gaps can be found. Yet, Roman records, which proudly detailed every major engineering achievement, make no mention of these enormous blocks. It was as if the Romans built on top of something they themselves didn't fully understand. Each of the trilithon stones is nearly 70 feet long, 14 feet high, and perfectly aligned, resting 30 feet above the ground. To lift just one would require cranes far more powerful than any known to the Romans. Even today, modern equipment would struggle to move such blocks without breaking them. And yet, thousands of years ago, someone not only carved them from a single piece of stone, they transported them over 1.5 kilometers uphill and placed them with microscopic precision. No mortar, no steel clamps, no visible seams. And most puzzling of all, the Romans buried these blocks beneath their temple foundations. Why would a civilization known for its pride in engineering hide their most astonishing work underground? Could it be because it wasn't theirs to begin with? When scientists studied the site, they expected to find evidence of ancient cranes, levers, or ramps, yet none exist. No tool marks match known Roman techniques. No roads or transport paths lead from the quarry to the temple. Even the stone surfaces tell a strange story, marked with parallel grooves that look eerily similar to the cuts made by modern industrial saws. These same markings appear at other mysterious sites, like Petra in Jordan and the Yangshan Quarry in China, where a massive, unfinished 16,000-ton stone block still lies half-buried. Different continents, different cultures, yet the same strange precision, the same impossible craftsmanship. It's as if a single forgotten technology once spanned the ancient world and then vanished without a trace. So who were the builders of Baalbek's megaliths? Some archaeologists suggest an unknown pre-Roman civilization, long lost to time, capable of feats we can barely comprehend today. Others believe the stones were cut and placed using advanced techniques that have simply been erased from history. But there are more radical theories. Whispers of giants, of divine architects, of lost civilizations that once possessed technologies far beyond our imagination. In ancient texts like the Bible and the Quran, there are stories of colossal beings, the Nephilim, giants of immense strength and knowledge. Could these myths hold fragments of truth about the mysterious builders of Baalbek? For now, the mystery remains buried beneath the stones of Lebanon. Massive blocks that defy logic, science, and human understanding. Were they placed by the Romans? By an advanced, forgotten civilization? Or by beings we can no longer imagine? No one knows for sure, but one thing is certain. The secrets of Baalbek continue to challenge everything we think we know about human history. And perhaps, beneath the sands of time, the truth still waits to be uncovered.